If you're familiar with Odoo, you know its goal is to manage every touch point of a business. However, the real game changer in recent versions is the fluid synergy between modules, with the CRM sitting right at the heart of that ecosystem. Today, we are walking through a practical, real-world workflow. We'll cover everything from initial setup to the final stages of payment and delivery, showing you how Odoo supports your growth every step of the way. Let's dive in. We begin with the sales module, the bridge where CRM opportunities transform into tangible revenue. When you open sales, you're greeted with a clear view of quotations and confirmed orders. Because it's integrated, you can generate a professional quote directly from a CRM lead, ensuring the entire client history remains tethered to the deal. The data entry is incredibly efficient. Simply start typing a company name, and Odoo's database auto-populates the essentials: addresses, tax identifiers, and contact details. Building the quote is just as intuitive. Instead of scrolling through endless lists, you can organize products into custom sections, drag and drop items, and toggle the visibility of internal costs. Shipping is calculated instantly based on logistics data. Once the client approves, they can pay a deposit via a secure link, which automatically confirms the order and updates your inventory and accounting records in real time. Next, we move to inventory, which works in lockstep with your sales team. The forecast view provides a high-level look at stock levels, reservations, and incoming shipments. You can track timelines and delivery health at a glance, collapsing sections to focus only on high-priority items. Odoo's smart replenishment rules calculate your future stock needs based on realistic lead times, preventing last-minute panics. For the warehouse team, the barcode interface ensures total precision. Whether you're moving full pallets or single units, every scan updates the system instantly. You can even include specific handling instructions on product digital tags to ensure fragile items are managed correctly by staff. Returning to the core CRM, the interface uses a visual pipeline where every column represents a deal stage and every card is a unique opportunity. Leads flow in from various channels: web forms, emails, or even mobile business card scans. Upon entry, Odoo performs an immediate data quality check. If a phone number is invalid or key information is missing, the system flags it. As you refine these details, Odoo's AI adjusts the probability to close, giving you a data-driven look at your sales health. Inside the opportunity chatter, you'll find a centralized history of every email, note, and document. This means if a team member steps in, they have full context immediately. No more redundant questions or lost threads. Documents is the silent powerhouse for your CRM. You can establish automated filing rules that sort incoming files. Contracts go to the legal folder, and receipts go to finance. When a client emails a document, Odoo can convert it to a searchable PDF and attach it to the relevant record. The system handles everything from XML to TXT files, allowing you to preview and edit without ever leaving the platform. Quick action buttons let you share or sign files in one click, keeping your workspace organized while you focus on closing the deal. Accounting is natively tied to your CRM activities, ensuring financial accuracy. Audit reports, often a source of stress, are now automated. You simply name the report, set your parameters, and Odoo generates the legal documentation using preloaded templates. Tax deadlines are tracked clearly, so you never miss a filing. The bank reconciliation tool uses smart matching to pair most transactions automatically, while guided workflows help you resolve any outliers. Furthermore, automated payment follow-ups can be triggered directly from the system, maintaining your cash flow without manual chasing. The sign feature is designed to eliminate friction. You can upload multiple documents, drag and drop signature fields, and bundle them into a single envelope for the client. The customer receives a single link to sign everything in order, significantly shortening your approval cycles. Every signed document is automatically saved back to the CRM opportunity, providing a permanent legal paper trail. Once the deal is won, the project module takes over to ensure delivery. You can launch projects from predefined templates that automatically assign tasks and team members. Automation rules can route tasks to the specific person best suited for the job. The calendar and Gantt view allow you to manage schedules visually, while integrated timesheets let your team log work directly against the client's record. This ensures that every hour worked is accounted for in your final billing and reporting. Odoo integrates your phone system directly into the CRM workflow. You can view recent calls and scheduled activities in a single pane. Calls can be put on hold, transferred, or recorded for quality. Perhaps most impressively, the system generates automated transcripts and summaries that attach themselves to the client's record, ensuring that verbal agreements are never forgotten. Discuss is the internal communication engine that keeps your team aligned. You can create group channels, mention colleagues for instant notifications, and even interact with an AI assistant that can answer questions based on your internal data. Because you can schedule meetings or trigger actions directly from a chat, you spend less time switching between apps and more time collaborating. Your website and e-commerce store serve as a 24/7 lead generation machine. Using the drag-and-drop builder, you can create professional product pages with real-time variant previews for size or color. The system supports structured data for SEO and integrates with social marketplaces to sync your inventory. AI tools are available to help generate product descriptions or translate your entire site, ensuring that every web interaction is captured and tracked within the CRM. Live chat provides an immediate gateway from your website to your CRM. Conversations are routed to available operators based on their expertise. Operators see the visitor's context in real time, and visitors can receive a full transcript of the conversation. Dashboards help managers track response times and ensure that every potential lead is engaged. To wrap everything up, Odoo provides how-level dashboards and deep-dive spreadsheets. You can use natural language to ask for specific insights like, "Show me the pipeline growth by month," and Odoo builds the visualization for you. The integrated spreadsheets allow for advanced data manipulation without ever needing to export to external software. So when we look at Odoo CRM, what stands out is how everything connects, from leads to quotations to projects and even calls and chats. All interactions flow into CRM. For anyone looking for an open, flexible, and deeply connected CRM, Odoo is worth exploring. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this.